Me está dando miedo. Te lo juro que estoy
Oh, lamig na yung
temblando.
kape ko. Uy! Hala ko.
No mames.
So yun, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. Magandang sa inyo, magandang hapon. Ngayon hapon tayo magre-reaction ng video. Kasi pag sobrang gabi nakakatakot. Parang hindi ko kinakayan tapusin yung mga pinapanood natin. At saka hindi tayo makapagsalita ng malakas, hindi tayo makapag-reaction ng maayos. Kasi nga, may yung mga kasama ko natutulog. Hirap hirap ako maka-reaction kasi iniisip ko yung mga kasama ko baka magising sa ingay ng boses ko. So yun, bago tayo magsimula, i-hit nyo muna yung notification bell dyan, yung subscriber natin. Subscribe naman kayo, tapos like nyo na rin. At yun nga, yung ating panonoodin ngayon ay si Mr. Bokren. Yun. Subscribe nyo na rin si Mr. Bokren. Ayan. Puntahan nyo yung channel niya. Napakaganda. Yung mga video niya nakakatakot. Try nyo panoorin. So ayan, magsisimula na tayo. Let's go!
Stretches a hand toward the infant and even shifts a stuffed animal nearby.
Ano yung
Then it
meron
dissolves
dito?
into nothing.
Ano
Horji
meron
believes
dito?
the entity may be a dark
black
presence
shadow.
settled inside his home.
Wait lang. Ibabalik natin sa simula yung video. Yung umpisa talaga. Kasi naano ko pala to. Plus forward na. Balik natin sa simula.
At 3 in the morning in Erie, Pennsylvania,
Oh, Pense...
Horji Cruz and his
Benya?
entire family were deep asleep in their
Saan to? 3 a.m. ng... Ayan o, 3 a.m. Si Erie, Pennsylvania. Okay. Play natin.
Horji Cruz and his entire family were deep asleep in their bedroom.
So kape nga pala tayo guys. Kape tayo.
Without warning,
Lumamig na yung kape ko.
the bedroom door
Kaka-search ko ng
slammed
mga
shut.
video na ating re-reaction.
Horji stirred at the sound, dismissed it, and went back to sleep. The next morning, curiosity began to gnaw at him about what could have possibly caused the door to slam so hard.
Whoa. May baby.
He pulled up the baby monitor recordings, and what he discovered froze his blood.
Bata. Baby. May na CCTV, naka-monitor ang baby. Uy, ano yun? Oh! Wait. Kusang nagsara ang pinto. Kusang nagsara yung pinto. Oh, hindi ito maganda. Hindi maganda to. Asan ang mga magulang nito? Ay, andun sa may kama ata, natutulog. Walang kamalay-malay. So, play natin. Uy, ano to? Parang may something na kulay black. Ayan o. Black object. Ano kaya yan? Ano yan? Play natin. Merong black. Ayun, gumalaw yung manika. Ay, yun lang. Yun lang. Nako po. Saan napunta? Pumunta ng ilalim para sa ilalim.
Heavy banging echoes through the room before the bedroom door slams violently shut. Then, a dark shadow-like figure appears, slowly crawling along the base of the baby's crib, fixated
black
on watching the
shadow.
sleeping child.
Figure yun, lo. Biglang
The dark figure stretches a hand toward the infant and even shifts a stuffed animal nearby. Then it dissolves into nothing. Horji believes the entity may be a dark presence settled inside his home, and says this is far from the first time he has captured something on camera there.
oh.
The user known online as Jebalista.
Number 7. Number 7. Ano kaya meron dito? Ano kaya meron sa number 7? Tingnan natin ulit.
Shares that he recently made
Ah,
the grave
meron sila.
mistake of
Naglalaro
using
sila
a Ouija
ng-
board inside his home in
Wait.
Germany.
Ano ba yung Ouija board?
As expected, things did not end well.
Paki-correct na lang niyo ako guys kung
Bei Gott.
tama ba ang
Diese
ano
Tür
ko
von dieser Uhr, ne?
pronounce.
Die ist eben einfach
Ouija
aufgegangen. Ich
board.
wollte mich gerade schlafen legen, auf einmal ist die aufgegangen. Die ganzen Tage
Yung meron.
ist die nicht aufgegangen und jetzt gerade hat die sich einfach geöffnet, Digga. Bro, ich kack mir in die Hose was.
Yung meron.
Wenn hier irgendwas in diesem Raum ist, dann macht diese Tür auf. Wenn hier irgendein Geist oder so drin ist und du mich hören kannst, dann mach diese Tür auf.
Oh, bumukas. Bumukas. Kasi tinitingnan mo dyan.
Bro, ich schwöre bei Gott, ich schwöre auf meine Mutter, hier ist
Bumukas
kein
yung-
so nicht, dass ihr denkt, ich verarsche euch, Bruder.
Orasan.
Guck mal,
Yung word lock. Ay, word lock.
hier ist kein Schuh, nix, ich schwöre auf meine Mutter,
World clock.
gar nix.
Malaking orasan. Oh, gumagalaw. Oh. Gumagalaw. Ano kaya't gumagalaw yan? So, excuse me. Oh, ay. Nalaglag.
Ich hab Gänsehaut, Gänsehaut, Bruder.
Oh, goosebumps. Tayuan yung balahibo ni Kuya. Ayun, oh. Tayuan ang balahibo niya na sobrang takot. Katakot. Nakakatakot to. So play natin.
Gänsehaut am ganzen Körper, Gänsehaut, Gänsehaut am ganzen Körper. Ich schwöre, meine Mutter, guck, guck. Oh mein Gott.
Oh, putik. Tayuan ang balahibo niya.
Diese Ouija-Board ist genau hier drin. Mein Herz ist am Rasen, Bruder, mein Herz ist am Rasen. mein Herz am Rasen.
Bumibilis ng pintig ng puso niya.
The
Sinunog
door
niya.
of an antique wall clock swings open by
Sinunog niya
itself,
yung wall clock.
and
Wall
the
clock.
pendulum drops out. Jebalista said that moment was enough for him.
Sinunog niya yung wall clock kasi ano yun, hunted siguro yun. Tama lang, sunugin mo yun, baka yun na nag pasimula, or yun ay ang salarin ng kababalaghan, baka hunted yun.
And the very next day, he burned the
Okay tayo,
clock
guys.
and the Ouija board together.
Mula nung naglaro
But
sila
this raises one
ng
question.
Ouija board,
What would you have done?
kaya Ouija board no, tinapon na.
Would you burn everything? Tell me.
Huwag kasi kayo maglalaro ng Ouija board kasi nakakatakot yan.
In this recording, a man living in the quiet countryside began filming after hearing noises coming from his attic. He explains he's been gathering evidence of these strange sounds which he hears almost exclusively at night. At first, he believed the noises were simply the natural creaks of an old house. But one night,
Ano
while
to,
checking the
lumang-luma
space,
na
as he
ano,
routinely does, this happens.
abandon. Oh, may sumigaw. Wala palang sumigaw. Asawa. Anak ko pala yun. Pangrinig ko lang. Tama ba? Doon nga pala sa pinapanood ng anak ko. Oh, ang dilim. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Oh. Uy, gumalaw, gumalaw.
Without warning, a wooden chair
Oh,
tips over
gumalaw.
completely on its own. As
Wooden chair,
anyone would,
gumalaw.
the man dropped everything, including his phone, and bolted out. He was visibly trembling, undone by what he had witnessed. To this day,
Atik, sa may atik.
he says he has been sleeping at a friend's house and considering what his next step should be. So, what was upstairs?
Katakot naman yan. Number 5 na tayo.
One quiet night, Milena Sunder was celebrating Mother's Day inside her home in Nova Trento, Brazil. She was filming herself while enjoying a Brazilian dessert and proudly showing the small gift her son had given her. But then something happens that leaves her paralyzed with fear.
Gente, vou comer com vocês o melhor brigadeiro da vida, que é da doceria da Lulu. E olha que bonitinho que eu ganhei no Dia das Mães atrasado, mas ela me deu. É um espelhinho de bolsa, deixa eu abrir e mostrar. Olha, que lindo. Deixa eu abrir.
Pasensya na guys kung medyo maingay dito kasi
E agora vamos provar. Eu sou tipo assim, viciada
may mga
nesse
bata
brigadeiro.
naglalaro
Esse
sa
é o
labas.
melhor brigadeiro que eu já comi na minha vida.
Inside the
Meron.
mirror's reflection, a
Oh, may
pale,
mukha,
expressionless face
may
appears,
mukha.
staring directly at Milena,
Oh,
almost as though someone were standing right in front of her.
oh, may mukha.
When she watched the
May
recording back,
mukha.
Milena was in
Ayun, oh.
absolute shock. She shared
Baka
the
yung kaharap
footage on
niya lang.
social media, searching for any explanation. The clip went viral overnight, racking up more than 3 million views.
Oh, 3 million
Many
views.
stunned viewers wondered if something in front of her, perhaps a
Viral na
television
social
screen,
media.
might have been reflected inside that mirror.
So,
But
wala
Marina
pala siyang
demonstrated that what actually sat in front of her seat in that
wala
very
siyang
moment was a backyard.
kaharap.
She also confirmed that her husband and her son were both inside the house at the time.
Sino yun?
So, who or what is this?
Oh, wala siyang kaharap pero may nagpakita sa
A young
mirror.
woman named Celeste Castro, from the city of Culiacan, Mexico, was home alone in the early hours of the morning when she began hearing strange sounds coming from the living room.
Ano to? Oh.
No.
Mukhang takot na takot si ate.
No mames, no sé qué hacer ya, no sé qué hacer.
Ano yung meron? Parang may something na umiyak.
No mames, güey, no mames, está abierta la
The
puerta.
door is open. Oh, bumukas pala yung pinto.
Ay, no. Voy a cerrar la puerta. No hay nadie, o sea, no hay nadie. No hay nadie.
Hindi katakot. Ba't kasi nag-iisa lang siya dyan?
Voy a cerrar la puerta y le voy a poner seguro porque la neta,
Paano nakapasok na yun dyan?
no hay nadie, literal, no hay nadie.
Bukas yung pinto. Bukas ang pinto. So, baka nakapasok na yun dyan. Nakapasok na yung ano dyan. Tao. Baka may tao nakapasok. Kasi bukas na eh.
Plebes. O sea, no sé qué voy a hacer. Aquí voy a dejar el celular grabando aquí.
Ay, nag-sit up siya ng
A
camera.
ver si capta algo. Porque la
Nag-sit
neta
up siya ng video.
ya me harté de que estén pasando cosas y no sepa qué es. La voy a dejar grabando y me voy a ir al cuarto. Me da mucho miedo, please, me da mucho miedo ver lo que hay.
Oh, mayroon naman siya narinig. Meron na naman siyang narinig.
Yo quiero saber lo que realmente pasó.
Ayun. Pinili niya na yung video. Oh,
No
ayun.
mames, no mames. No mames.
Ayun nga.
No mames.
May nalaglag.
No mames, güey, no mames. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? Me está dando miedo. Te lo juro que estoy
Oh, lamig na yung
temblando.
kape ko. Uy! Hala ko.
No mames, no mames.
Celeste freezes in absolute terror the moment she
Ay,
sees something
putik.
peering
Ayun,
out from behind
oh.
a kitchen cabinet watching her.
Sa may cabinet
That
banda.
instant is enough, and she immediately runs out of the house. She ended up spending the rest of that long night at her cousin's place. Even today,
Ayun, oh. Sa may cabinet banda may nagpakita. Ano ba yan? Ano? Witch? Broha? Tawag sa kanila broha eh sa Mexican. Ano yan? Mangkukulam. Mangkukulam yan. Nakakatakot.
Celeste insists she has no idea what she captured on her phone that night. She also says that since then,
Nakakatakot.
nothing
Yung ano niya,
strange has
yung
occurred inside her home.
nakakatakot.
Real or prank, you decide.
Kayo guys, anong ano nyo? Ano sa palagay nyo? Kasama lang ba nila yun o host o ano? Kayo? Kayo ang magdi-decision kung totoo ba yun. Okay, tuloy natin. Ano kaya, yung next, ano kaya meron dito sa sunod na video?
Sarah says she works as a cleaning staff member inside a nursing home. Sarah recounts that since she started
Hospital.
working at the facility,
Nursing home.
she has heard and experienced many strange things.
Oh, ano yun? May something sound step. May naglalakad ata.
One afternoon, Sarah was working alone when the situation took a terrifying turn. She began hearing strange, inexplicable screams echoing through the hallways.
May naglalakad.
Hello?
Oh, ano yun?
Se está escuchando el piano. Y no hay nadie en el piano.
Sabi, walang kalaman-laman.
¿Ves?
Tingnan mo naman yung ano, yung hallway, walang kalaman-laman ng ano, mga gamit o tao. Ayun o, may ano ba yung piano? Dali
No
natin.
hay nadie y lo estoy escuchando.
Oh,
dónde
may
viene ese
sumigaw.
ruido?
Ano yun, ano yun?
Se escucha como que gritaran, como si hablaran. No es nadie. Se escucha que
May
grita.
sumisigaw.
Creo que es de acá. Oiga, hay veces que se oyen las sillas de ruedas que caminan, que hablan. ¿Qué podrá ser?
Putik ko lang katao-tao.
Ay, ¿qué podrá ser?
Oh, katakot.
¿Qué es eso? Ay,
May
Ahora sí me
tumulak. Sino kayang tumulak nun?
no puede ser. No puede ser, escucha.
Tay ka dyan sa elevator ka pa talaga.
Ahora sí sentí que alguien me tocó de verdad.
Please, pag-apuling.
As Sarah walks the hallway searching, she hears no one. But there is a voice that sounds like that of an elderly woman whispering, "I see you."
Oiga,
Tinignan ko kung may tao na nakikinig sa akin.
Suddenly, a metal cart
Ayun,
rolls
no.
through one of the rooms entirely on its own.
Tumakbo ng
Sarah says
mag-isa
that at that
yung,
very
ano,
instant she felt someone touch her back firmly. And that was more than Sarah could take. She simply left immediately. Did Sarah capture supernatural evidence?
Oh,
Or just a prank? You decide.
ano sa tingin nyo? Prank lang daw?
On the 27th of
Ewan.
August,
Wala naman ako nakitang multo eh.
2024. A store employee films himself describing something truly chilling that had happened to him only minutes before. He said he ran to his computer to watch the video and save it, in case no one believed him.
Meron dito.
Something happened to him while unpacking boxes, but it is what occurs at the end of the recording that left him terrified.
Mike's putting things away from the box. All right, now watch. I want you guys to focus on this area right here. Okay?
Ito shopping market.
Hold on, let me speed this up a bit.
They haven't got the first clue on how to use it. I
All right,
mean,
watch.
if you have the doctrine right and you
Umilaw yung ano, yung bagay na yun. Ano ba yun?
pull that doctrine,
Oh, may
Boom,
nalaglag.
you see that?
Did you see that?
I'm gonna get back here for you guys to give you a better view.
May nalaglag.
Look at that.
Ah,
And I'm just like tripping, like, what?
kita nila
Pay
sa
attention to this area right
CCTV.
here.
May nalaglag na box.
Watch.
That's not what I asked you.
Is that you? Look, look. I'm here by myself. Nobody's here. It's just me.
Daming CCTV. Bawat sulok may mga
See that?
CCTV.
Come out.
Putik, parang
I'm not afraid of you.
kung makikita nyo parang mag-isa lang siya dyan eh. Walang kasama. Putik kung sa akin yan, hindi ako magdi-duty dyan. Walang katao-tao eh, siya lang.
You. Is that you? I threw down the box earlier?
Sabi niya, kabayaan nyo naglaglag ng box. Tama ba? Pagkakaintindi ko. Pasensya na guys ha, mahina ako sa English pero nakakaintindi naman tayo kahit kakonti.
Come on out.
Sabi niya,
You don't scare
lumabas
me.
ka dyan, lumabas ka. Tinatakot mo ako.
Come on out.
Magpakita ka.
He's trying to mess with me.
Oh, ano yun? Meron. Oh, yan. Nagparamdam sa'yo. Ayan na. Anong meron? Ano nangyari sa kanya? Ba't kasi siya na mag-isa dyan? Nakakatakot talaga mag-isa dyan.
No.
No way.
Hell no. No.
I-replay niya ata yung video. Kuha ng CCTV.
Let me see. Hold on. Where am I? I'm here. Oh, where am I going? Look there,
Siya
right
pala
there.
yun, oh. Na nagwi-video. Ayun.
You see that? No.
May umano sa buhok niya. Wait. Tingnan nyo. Ayun. May humila sa buhok niya. Kita mo umangat eh. Yan. Hinahamon mo kasi lumabas. Ayan.
Look, you see that? You see that?
Puti katakot.
No.
Takbo na. Hanggat may lupa.
No.
Pero mukhang matapang naman siya eh. Hindi siya,
The
mag-isa lang
sealed
siya. Oh.
box tips over on its own with
Mukhang matapang naman siya. Mag-isa lang siya eh. Hindi naman, kung ako niyan, hindi na ako mag-ano dyan, magdi-duty, puti. Magbabantay ako ng ganyan, mag-isa lang ako. Laki-laki niyang ano na yan. Shopping, ano ba yan? Shopping mall. Katakot, mag-isang ganyan. Yan, pinapakita dito yung nalaglag yung box.
no one near it. As he reviews the footage to see what fell,
Putik.
he hears a bang coming from
Ang dami pa namang CCTV, oh. Yay. Kitang-kita lahat dyan ng mga ano. Tuloy natin.
somewhere in the store. When he walks over to investigate, something or someone invisible pulls his hair sharply from behind. His first thought was that a coworker was pranking him. But when he spun around, He saw no one behind him. If there was no one there, who pulled his hair? He is now convinced something supernatural lies
Supernatural.
inside that store.
Sa loob ng
One night.
store.
A pair of close friends from San
Ano
Luis
to,
Potosí were
magkakaibigan?
at home watching a movie.
Anong meron dito? Magkakaibigan. Play natin.
They started a horror film. But what began as harmless entertainment quickly turned into their worst nightmare.
Oigan amigos, estábamos aquí viendo una película de terror y se están empezando a escuchar ruidos en la casa. Te juro que neta, en
Oh,
serio.
wow, wow, wow.
Ponle pausa, ponle pausa, ponle pausa, ponle pausa. Pausa. Alexa, mute. Alexa, mute.
Oh,
Pausa. Ay, ¿por qué no se pausa? What the f? Madres. Se los juro, es que pedo.
oh, anong meron?
¿Sí lo grabaste? Sí, creo que sí quedó grabado. Es que estábamos aquí en la casa, estábamos viendo una película ya para...
Pati yung AI na si Alexa ayaw na mag-mute. Ano kayang meron? Bakit hindi na control?
literal ya para dormir.
Oh, oh. Oh,
While the movie unfolded,
may...
the friends began hearing sounds. Something moves along the floor and the door is struck with force.
No, eso fue mi cuarto. Yo se había calmado. Oigan, ya no habíamos escuchado nada. Y
Oh, may kumakatok. Buksan nyo.
te juro que no estamos esperando a nadie. No.
Baka daw si daddy na.
Oigan, y es que estamos
Sabi niya,
completamente
hindi.
solas, o sea, vivimos aquí. Se están escuchando cosas ahí en la parte del baño.
Oh, oh, oh. Ano yun?
Se sigue moviendo.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano meron? Ay.
Se están escuchando cosas.
Oh, oh, oh.
No. Es que, ¿qué hacemos? Hay que hablarle a esa niña.
Alis na
¿Tiene
kayo
su número?
dyan.
Márcale.
Alis
Márcale,
na.
No, vente, no, vente. Vean,
Oh.
vean. Hay que hablarle a César.
Nervous and completely
Takot
terrified,
na.
they tried desperately to calm themselves down, insisting on phoning their friend Cesar right away for help.
Takot na yung isang babae.
But the sounds would not stop. Some people believe
Grabe yung
that when you watch a
pakiramdam.
horror movie, you are unconsciously attracting
Kaya
negative
katakot
energy,
ang mata.
which could be one possible
Itim na
explanation for what happened. Has anything similar happened to you? Tell me.
So yun, tapos na. Ang ating video na pinapanood. Natakot ba kayo? Kung hindi, edi wow. So yun. Hanggang dito na lang muli. Next time ulit sa atin bagong panonoorin. Nakatatakutan. At patuloy tayo mag-upload ng mga videos na mas nakakatakot. So dito hanggang dito na lang tayo. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.